Hey, Katie.
Mika.
Is that you?
Yeah, I'm nervous.
About what?
Ghosts. I think ghosts are in our house.
There's no ghost in our house. Katie, just...
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Whoa! Hey! Mika, I'm scared.
About what?
Ghost!
Katie?
How do you turn on the damn TV? Are you still recording me?
Yeah.
Turn it off.
No.
Turn it off, the freaking camera!
Look what I got.
Cheesecake! Cheesecake! Let's have it now!
No. How about
Why
after
not,
dinner?
Mika?
We'll
Why?
have it after dinner.
Why?
The ghost might eat it.
No, don't please, please, please. That cheesecake was good. Oh my gosh, I think the ghost ate it on my tummy. Let's have more.
Nice try, no.
Yeah. I feel the ghost watching me.
What ghost?
I think it's a pirate.
A pirate ghost?
Yeah. I think a ghost is into my butt cheeks. A ball! Tiny ball! It's a tiny ball!
I told you, stop making fun of me.
No, seriously, it's a tiny ball, see? See, it's a tiny ball.
Not mine.
I know. Mika, I'm scared about tonight. Should we actually go to bed?
Yes, witch.
Did I even tell you what witch means?
We irritate the children hoes across America. You told me 1,000 times, Katie.
Who put you on this planet? And in the first place, don't say my name like that, Mika. Just go to bed.
Fine. I don't know. My name's Micah.
Just go to bed.